What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. If you didn't know, your Galaxy Note 9 S Pen can do a lot of things on your phone. Let's get to all those things right now. So first thing we'll do is swipe down from the top, and we're going to go into settings, and then we're going to go into advanced features, and then we're going to go into S Pen. So S Pen, this is tons of stuff in here that you can do. There's going to be over 20 things that I'm going to personally show you. So the first thing is going to be S Pen remote. So you can do all of these things right in here. Make sure it's on, first of all, and then you can do all of these things: camera, gallery, shutter, media, Chrome, all this stuff. So let's get it going. Here you go. First one. If you press and hold the button on the S Pen, it's going to open up your camera. There you go. If you tap it once, it's going to take a photo. If you double tap it, it's going to go into selfie mode. If you tap it again, it's going to take a photo. Next one has to do with the gallery. So if I tap on a photo, I can see the photo, and if I press the button on the S Pen once, it goes ahead, keeps going ahead. If I double press it, it goes back to the previous photo. Next one is Snapchat. So when you're in Snapchat, you can actually use the S Pen to take photos as a shutter. So you can press that button, and there you go, it takes the photo. Let's just back that up. If you double press it, it opens up the back camera, and you can do it again, press it once, and it'll take a photo of that. Next up, you can use it as a media controller. I have Spotify right here. I'm gonna hit play once. So you tap it once, and it plays a song for you. If you double tap it, it goes to the next track. If you press it one more time, it pauses it. So press once, play, pause, and if you double tap it again, it plays the next track. So with Chrome, if you press it once, it'll go back, or if you double press it, it goes to the page forward. Now, I don't have Handcom Office Editor installed. You can install it for free, but you can see it will go to, if you single press it, it'll go next, double press will go previous. This one is pretty cool. You can actually unlock your phone with your S Pen. So if it's locked, we'll lock it right here. Next, we're gonna press the S Pen button once. And there you go, it unlocks it that easy, that fast. The next one is pretty cool. It's called Screen Off Memo. So if you take the S Pen out, you can actually write a message on the screen, and it will save it, do whatever you want, so you can quickly take that message whenever you need to. That's it, and then just tap down here if you want. You can write more stuff, and then you can save in notes. That's easy, that's quick, and that's how you write a note with the screen off. If you're in Calendar and you hover over your screen, it'll actually show you what you have going on for that day. In the Gallery app, if you hover over a photo, it'll give you a quick glimpse of that photo without even touching the screen. You can also hover your S Pen over the edge of the screen to go up or down on a website, or to preview a link. Direct hand put is another really cool one. Hovering your mouse over a text field, tapping the little icon that shows up, and then handwriting your message. So I'll write "going home soon." And there you are, "going home soon." Another cool one is just having a pointer on the screen. If you hover over it, you'll see that little pointer that shows up. And that shows up anywhere on this phone with the S Pen. Another cool one is you'll see this little icon show up when you take your S Pen out, and you have a bunch of things that you can do, and you can move them around. So for instance, the very first one is to create a note. So if you tap on that, you can just write yourself a note of whatever you want. You can draw, whatever you want to do. It's a quick and easy way to write a note, and then you can hit save. If you go back in there again, you're going to see view all notes. You can view all the notes you took. You can do Smart Select. Smart Select's a cool little way to take a screenshot. So it depends on how much of a screenshot you want to do. You can either do a rectangle, a lasso, oval, or capture an animation. So if you want to do, for instance, a rectangle, all you're going to do is draw on the screen. You'll see what it's going to capture. And you can do auto select, you can extract the text, you can pin it to a screen. So you can do all kinds of cool stuff. And you can also still at the bottom, you can look at Bixby Vision, where it's going to allow you to analyze that image with Bixby. You can also draw on it, share it, set it as wallpaper, or just plain old save it. Screen write is a very quick way to take a screenshot. You'll see where when I tap it, takes the screenshot, and from here, this little menu pops up, and I can draw. If I hit pen, I can choose any kind of pen that I want, the thickness of the pen, the color, and I can draw to my heart's content. And that's basically it. You can, from here, you can undo what you did, redo it, you can erase what you did, you can crop it, you can share it, save it. Next up is live message. This basically records what you write on the screen, and you can play it back and save it and add kind of like cool little effects if you want. Next up is translate. So you would highlight text that says hover your S Pen over a word to translate it. You can also tap the audio to hear the word pronounced.
Installed.
So if you wanted to do this again, if say you're looking at Spanish or Japanese, you could hover it over and then the translate would be back into English. You can change it up here if you want. So it's a cool way to just learn how to say a word. Next up, Pen Up. This is one of the cooler things. This is basically kind of like an art app, and this is going to allow you to draw on the screen, do what you really want on here in terms of being an artist. And you can share your art, you can color. So you can choose something like this and start coloring it. And you can change the pen if you want. Maybe you want more of a brush. And you want it to be red. You can just draw. I'm not a good color, but you get the drift. You can really do anything to your heart's content if you're an artist in here. And the last one is really, you can just navigate the phone with the S Pen. So if you want to do everything from just looking through apps or whatever you really want on here, there's so much stuff you can do. If you wanted to type a message, you can come in here and type on the keyboard. Here, I'm gonna say going home. There you go. So there you guys go. You can see the mighty S Pen is very powerful and lets you do tons of things, and it's only going to get larger and more proficient as more companies get their apps up to speed with the S Pen. Because of that Bluetooth functionality, it just adds a ton of extra features. So there you guys go. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment in the comments down below if I left a feature out that you think is really cool, and I'll see you guys down the road. Peace!